AppSheet is an intuitive, no-code app development platform that empowers anyone in the organization to build powerful applications for collecting, updating, or sharing data more effectively. Business applications can range from supporting delivery logistics or field operations to streamlining internal HR process or managing project workflows. Any scenario where data can be collected and shared with other stakeholders more efficiently represents an opportunity to digitize or automate with custom-built apps. Traditional development resources are typically costly and time-consuming, which makes no-code platforms real valuable to average business users who are most familiar with day-to-day inefficiencies. AppSheet gives those users the ability to build apps with powerful and highly customizable feature sets with layers of intelligence built in to help reduce the workload of people creating those apps as well as those using them. AppSheet is intent-driven, which means that with just a spreadsheet or even just some written ideas about what an application should do, a functional prototype is automatically generated and available to customize. Removing time-consuming wireframing, development, and feedback steps from the traditional development process means that functional solutions can be deployed at a fraction of the cost and oftentimes in a matter of hours instead of weeks or months. Applications are commonly deployed for use on mobile or tablet devices, but can just as easily be used as interactive web apps run on desktop browsers, displayed on large monitors for viewing live analytics, or used without an interface at all as a layer of automation that runs in the background, generating and delivering notifications or reports as data is collected or updated. AppSheet apps are frequently built from a Google Sheet or Excel spreadsheet, but apps can be built or integrated with a variety of types of structured data. When information within an app is added or updated, those updates are instantly synced back to the original data source or sources the app is built from. At any point in the process, if the data source of an app needs to change, for example, from an Excel sheet hosted in Dropbox to a SQL database, it's simple to connect the app to that new source, and the app will keep functioning without any downtime. App features are data-driven, meaning that the features and capabilities of each app can be enabled if the data is designed to accommodate it. If you want to collect signatures, make sure your table has a column allotted for signatures. If you want to display a map, make sure the table includes a column of addresses or lat-long coordinates. Every app with its unique features will function offline, for example in remote areas or basements of buildings. When the device reconnects, any updates accumulated will sync back to the data source. Organizations of all sizes take advantage of the platform for a variety of use cases, but across the board, as more people contribute to building solutions, the more valuable the platform becomes. Layers of security and governance on data and app functionality ensure a secure environment, while performance enhancements and collaboration tools give users control over solving their business problems together in a cost-effective way.